Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to link EA account to Twitch. At the top in search bar, type on ea.com/Twitch linking. Now you need to type your username and password. After that, log in or type sign up. After you enter all the details here, click at the bottom Authorize. So you can connect with Twitch. You must be logged in to EA to link your profile with Twitch. Type your email address and password. Then click Next. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.